All right, guys, welcome back. As promised, we're gonna dive a little bit deeper into the shapes in Adobe X. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, and don't forget to recommend. And also, if you have any questions, comment in the section below. Welcome to WepTech Academy. All right, now the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna start with the rectangle shape, which the shortcut for it is R. Please kindly be taking out your books and writing out this. Then we now have the eclipse shape with the shortcut for it is E. Then we now have the polygon shape with the shortcut for it is Y. Then we have the line with the shortcut for it is L. Now remember what I said, and I've been saying in the previous videos, anytime that you open it and you click on a file, you're going to have the options to help you scroll through. The number one is transform, and first of all, transform is just you can change the width, you can change the size, the ratio. For example, if I said 45 degrees, and that is going to give me 45 degrees here. So it's totally a choice of what you are going. And something you should have to understand is that if you keep something out of the shape, it's out of the design. Okay, so maybe you want to do with the design, something like this. It's this one you have to understand that is the other part right up there doesn't have a lot of things to run with it. So that is something that you have to understand. So let's carry it and get it here. So the other option is fixed position when scrolling. So when you the site that you are building, do you want that it should be the position of it should be fixed, or you want that it should go along with the scrolling? That is your choice to make, and you have to make it good and make it stuff. Normally it's always fixed. After that, we have responsive resize. So responsive resize is simply like, do you want that when the changes are being done on your design, do you want them to be going along with the changes, or do you want it to be fixed? So that is your choice to make, and you have to make it good, as I always say. Then from there you have opacity. So you can reduce, you can add, you can reduce, you can add, you can reduce, you can add, you can reduce, you add. That one is your choice. Then the blending options, you work more when we have a background picture, which when we get there we're going to see it. Then now there when we open this rectangle, you see this something like this. So it's to help you shape out your edges, and you have you can as well do it on one. If you want the other one to be bigger than the other one, simply just switch within these two. You see, then let's make this one 10. Then we have fill. Fill is simply the color from within, and borders the color is the color of the edges. Then you surely can like increase the size of it. You want it to increase, you add the size. That's your choice. Then you can get done with it. Then we have shadows, inner shadows, that it lights that the amount of shadows I wanted to show from inside. Like you see, if I just added 50 here, and you can see that the shade, you get it done, and so good. Then drop shadow is the behind it at the back, right? So you see, then this one is more of the positioning, amount of blur that you want it that you want to apply on it. You can as well increase it to the extent that is. Background blur works more when a picture is at the back. Okay, when the next tutorial will be going on there, and we'll also look at the responsive resize more often when we get there. Then we have mark for effort means that you love to share your resources and assets when you are done with your design. You can get to do that with your clients, with your followers, and so on. So now something that is very captivating about this is these settings. If I want to apply here, and maybe apply here, the time is gonna chop me up. So one extra bonus today is how you can apply all of them to it. So to do that, all you have to do is to right click there, click on copy. Then you come here to the shape that you want to add, and click on, instead of click on paste, because if you paste, it's gonna paste with the shape. What you have to do is click on control on paste appearance, and the shortcut of paste appearance is control alternative V. Kindly write it down, control alternative V. There you go, and there you go. Now one extra thing about this shape to make it more spicy is that when you come under after blend mode, you come under normal. You can increase the number of edges that are there. And if the edges are too hard, I want to make it soft, all you can do is make it soft. Then here I would like to go down to 70. There you go. So using shapes in Adobe XD isn't difficult. It's sweet, it's nice, and we're going to be diving more into it. In our next tutorial, we'll be looking at other complex shapes, how to create other complex shapes using the pen tool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And if there's nothing that you have not understand, kindly comment in the section below, and we'll be available to answer you properly.